Hey you guys, this is Najane and I am back with another Chanel unboxing video. I promise you guys I will not hold you guys too long, but this is when I attended the Chanel 40% off sale and I was so happy and excited to be able to grab this item that I'm about to unbox to you. If you enjoy and like this type of video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope that all of you guys are having a blessed, wonderful day. Take care. Bye. Happy Sunday. I'm going to go ahead and do a Chanel unboxing. This is what I got for the 40% off.